Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here from Jewels and Gems and I'm back with a new video. Today we will be talking about January's birthstone, which happens to be red garnet. So for those of you that are not so familiar with red garnet, it looks like this. It's a beautiful stone that can have different colors. It can be reddish slash brown, like a dark wine red color. That would be usually known as the traditional garnet that most of us would be familiar with. But then you will also have garnet that can be orange, sometimes like bright orange, that would be called hessonite garnet. And then garnet can also be green, and that particular type would be called uvarovite. It's all from the same family, but the main one we'll be talking about today is this beautiful red garnet, the classic. What zodiac signs would be associated with garnet? Usually you will notice that it will be mostly Capricorn and Aquarius. These two are the signs that really, the energy would really suit them very well. But then of course, if you don't happen to be either Capricorn or Aquarius, you can still go for it. It will still be perfect for you as long as you feel that the energy suits you. And as regards to the emotional healing part of it, garnet would usually be associated with the idea of helping in bereavement. It's a very good stone as well if you're someone that's living a passion for a person, a hobby, or a cause. It's going to intensify that and support you in that journey. And also, I suppose, prevent anger from being directed inwards. So for example, everything that's like stress related conditions, garnet is going to help you by grounding you, protecting you, bringing you that wonderful energy that it has. It's a great stone associated as well with vitality, with, as we said, grounding, protection, courage, success, manifestation, self-confidence, which is why I feel it's wonderful for our Capricorn friends out there. This stone, if any, that's what you should get yourself. Also great for protecting you if you are in an emotionally charged environment, as it's supposed to help by easing a situation. And it's also great if you're someone that resists change. It will help you in easing that side of yourself and being more open to it, and all the good stuff that can come from it. And yeah, again, productivity, performance, this is all associated with red garnet. And regarding the chakra side of it, it will be obviously the root chakra mostly, but also the heart chakra, because it does have a bit of that warmth in it. As we said earlier, it's a very passionate stone. You can see here how it looks like as in a bracelet. It's dark, but it has a bit of that warmth to it, which works also for the heart chakra, and helps with that passionate side of things and of our lives. So that would be it for garnet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about garnet? Is it a stone that you have yourself in your crystal collection or not? And what's your favorite thing about garnet? And also, please remember that we got a free ebook coming soon. So if you want to be sure to get your hands on it, go on jewelsandgems.shop, subscribe to the Jewels and Gems VIP club. That's our email list, and you will be the first one to know and receive it as soon as the ebook is live. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.